Giving a video a like is a great way to let a YouTuber know you enjoyed their video. But did you ever think you could get paid for it? Well, it's now possible with this little-known new technique I just found. People from all around the world in almost every country are earning a lot of money just by liking videos online. They're not investing any of their own money either. So how are they doing it? I'll be showing you that in this video. But before I do, make sure you hit the like button on this video, and who knows, you might get some cash in your bank account. Jokes aside, without any further ado, let's dive in. So, the first thing you need to do is open up your browser and type in rapidworkers.com. That's going to take you to this website. This is a website that very few people know about, which is why it's such a good idea to join. In fact, even the people who do know about it mainly keep it to themselves. Before we sign up though, let's just take a look at the website itself. Rapid Workers is a place where you can complete all kinds of different tasks and get paid almost instantly. As you can see inside their activity box, they give you a bunch of different online tasks to complete, most of which take up only a few seconds of your time. Liking just one video on YouTube will make you 10 cents. To make $1, all you need to do is like 10 videos, which shouldn't take you more than 30 seconds since the links will be right in front of you. But aside from liking videos, there are a lot of other tasks you can complete as well and earn even more money. Following someone on Twitter can make you 12 cents. Signing up for an insurance form can make you as much as $1.50. Aside from that, there are many other things like creating a Gmail account, signing up for an online game, bookmarking someone's dig page, uploading pictures on a website, and more. People from all around the world can use this website for free. If you're wondering where all of this money is coming from, it's basically from people who want to get likes, followers, or signups. You're basically providing a service to these people and getting paid. It doesn't matter where you are in the world, whether it's the Philippines, India, Brazil, or any other country. You can easily earn money on this website. They've given a short summary of what you'll be expected to do on the side of the webpage. Once you've signed up for this website, you can browse micro jobs, since these only take up less than a minute of your time, select whatever job you like, finish the task, and submit the proof, and earn money. This is an extremely simple way of earning money online without needing any sort of qualification or investment. Anyone can do this. So now, let's sign up for this website and start earning money. I'll be guiding you through every step of the way. The first step is to click where it says New Member, Sign Up Now on the top right corner of the page. That's going to take you to a new page, and here you can enter in all of your details. First, enter your full name, then enter your email, and then select your country. As you can see here, almost every country in the world is supported by this website. Just scroll down to your country and click it. Click on the white box where it says I'm not a robot and complete the verification process. And finally, click here to agree to the terms and service, and then click on Create My Account. Now, just open up a new tab in your browser and go to your email. The email you receive from them should be titled Welcome to Rapid Workers. And if you don't see it in your inbox, make sure you check your spam folder as well. Once you see the email, just open it and then click on the first link you see. Now, your account will be officially created. Once your account is created, you need to log in one more time. So just enter your email on the top of the page, then enter your password. And then complete the CAPTCHA once again. After that, click submit and you'll be logged in. Here's the fun part where you actually start making money. As you can see here, there are all kinds of different tasks that you can do to earn money. They're all extremely simple and don't require you to do anything other than click around and maybe type in a few words. Some of these tasks take longer than others, but they offer higher payouts. You need to find tasks with high payouts and that can be done fast, but the options are almost endless. You're not going to become a millionaire by doing this, but if you're doing this on the side, it's a decent way to earn some money online. Now, I want you to browse through all of the available jobs, but stick to the ones that are marked as international or whatever country you're from. Some of these tasks are only for specific countries, and if you're not from that country, your account can be banned for completing these tasks. You also can't use a VPN to complete any of these jobs, so keep that in mind. Since this video is about YouTube, I'm just going to search for YouTube in the search bar. Here, all of the available jobs for YouTube-related video will be listed. If you want to make it a bit easier for yourself, you can also click on where it says Target Workers and click on International, or whatever your country is. This will filter the jobs to show you only jobs that accept workers from your country, so you don't have to pick them out. Once you click on any of these tasks, it'll take you to a new page. On this page, it'll show you all of the instructions under where it says what is expected from workers. Make sure you follow these instructions carefully, because if you don't do so, you may not get paid. Most of these jobs also won't give you a direct link to the video, and instead, they'll show you a screenshot. And you want to make sure you click on the right video, so just keep that in mind. After that, you also have to show some kind of proof that you finished the task as well. The client will tell you exactly what kind of proof they need under where it says required proof that task was finished. In most cases, at least for YouTube videos, you'll need to just take a screenshot of your screen showing that you like the video. After that, you need to upload your proof to either Snipboard or Print. The links to both of these websites will be on the page itself. I recommend Snipboard, so just open the Snipboard website so you can upload your proof image. Now, I'm just going to show you exactly how you can do that. For this demonstration, I'm just going to open any random YouTube video. But if you want to earn money, you need to open the exact same YouTube video that the client has asked you to open. Now that I've opened this YouTube video, I'm going to click on the like button. And while the like button is in view, I'm going to press Alt Print Screen on my keyboard. If you're on a Mac, you need to press Shift Control Command 3. This is going to take a screenshot of your screen. After you've taken a screenshot, just go back to the Snipboard and press Control V. If that doesn't work, you can also drag and drop the image straight to the website. Once you've taken your screenshot, wait a few seconds for the image to upload on Snipboard. Once it's done uploading, it'll give you a direct link to the image where it says Saved As. Just copy that link and go back to the page where the job was listed. Now, go to the white box below where it says Proof Box and paste the link to your image. Then click on where it says, I confirm that I have followed the instructions and completed this task. After this, it'll say, thank you for finishing the job, and the employer will review your task. If you meet the requirements set by the employer, you will get paid. And it's really as simple as that. All you have to do now is wait for the employer to review your work. And if you've done a good job, you'll be paid. Don't forget that you can also click on See Available Jobs button and go through all of the other listed jobs. It doesn't have to just be YouTube jobs. Some of these tasks are even easier than YouTube. That's a wrap for this video. Do you have any questions? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one!